2025 Audi SQ7 First Look Review, Second Facelift for a Luxury Giant. In the face of a substantially updated BMW X5 for the current model year, we had high hopes that Audi would give us a new Q7 range to compete with it. Instead, Audi revealed a facelift model for 2025 with relatively minor aesthetic updates. While we can't fault the look of the 2025 Audi SQ7, its simplified demeanor is bold and menacing without shouting about it. We wish there'd been some updates to the powertrain. In the US, the 2025 SQ7 will be powered by the familiar 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with 500 horsepower and 568 lb-ft of torque. Interestingly, Audi claims a slightly quicker 0 to 60 miles per hour time for the SQ7, but it remains to be seen what the actual specs are for models bound for the States. When is the 2025 Audi SQ7 coming out? An official release date for the Audi SQ7 in the USA hasn't been made public, but we expect it to arrive near the end of 2024 as 2025 models. 2025 Audi SQ7 estimated price and competition. Audi hasn't given US pricing for the new SQ7 SUV yet, but it's safe to assume a nominal increase over the current MSRP. The 2024 version goes on sale at a starting cost of $90,400 for the base Premium Plus trim, excluding destination. A top-end Prestige is pricier by around $4,000. We'll likely see the price of the 2025 Audi SQ7 starting at around $93,000, with the most expensive model closer to $96,000. Natural rivals to the spicy midsize SUV are the BMW X5 M60i and the Mercedes-AMG GLE 53. The former makes a little more power at 523 HP, dashes to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, and has an $89,300 starting price for the 2024 model. The AMG GLE 53 4MATIC is down on power at 429 HP and needs closer to 5 seconds to complete the benchmark sprint, but it costs less than both the Audi and Bimmer competitors at $86,750 for 2024. New Audi SQ7 exterior and colors. Changes to the exterior of the Audi SQ7 start with a redesigned lip spoiler up front and an updated single-frame grille with vertical L-shaped inlays. The entire grille area is blacked out and the air intakes lower down in the front fascia are larger and feature a honeycomb grille across the surface. The intake surrounds are body-colored on the SQ7, and the headlights have been positioned a little higher. These are also new light designs, with the headlights now featuring HD matrix LED technology with laser light high beams with selectable light signatures. Tail lights for the SQ7 are upgraded to digital OLED clusters with customization options allowing for 4 available lighting signatures. The rear gets a fresh diffuser, and standard 20-inch wheels fill the arches. The automaker has said there are upgrades to 21 and 22-inch wheels available, with 5 new designs in the catalog for 2025. Black brake calipers are standard but can be ordered in red, too. As for exterior colors on the new Audi SQ7 SUV, there are new additions to the existing palette, with Saphir Gold as seen on our first drive of the SQ8, Ascari Blue, and Chili Red being made available. The black optic package is expected to remain on the menu, coating the mirror housings, door blades, roof rails, window surrounds, and bumper inserts in high-gloss black. Audi SQ7 dimensions. We expect the dimensions of the 2025 Audi SQ7 to mostly carry over, with potential changes in length thanks to the exterior changes. That means a length of 199.6 inches over a wheelbase of 118 inches. Width comes in at 87.1 inches and height at 68.5 inches. The current models have a curb weight of 5,291 pounds, and the 2025 version should remain in that region. Audi SQ7 engine and performance. We expect the same 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 TFSI engine to do duty in the Audi SQ7 for 2025 as it has in the current model year, making 500 horsepower and 568 lb-ft of torque. It remains paired with a rapid shifting 8-speed automatic and quattro all-wheel drive. The automaker claims a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 4.1 seconds, while top speed is limited to 155 miles per hour. Real-life scenarios show that the SQ7 can get there in under 4 seconds in its current guise. Adaptive air suspension is standard on the SQ7, which allows drivers to adjust the ride height by up to 3.5 inches, and during highway cruising, the car lowers automatically by as much as half an inch, depending on current speed, to enhance aerodynamics and handling. There's also a lift function for when you feel the need to tackle rougher terrain, allowing you to increase ground clearance by up to 2.3 inches at low speeds. All-wheel steering is also standard on the 2025 SQ7, which enhances both safety and comfort. The back wheels can turn up to 5 degrees in the opposite direction at low speed to reduce the turning circle and make urban navigation a breeze. At higher speeds, the wheels turn in the same direction as the front wheels. Benefits of the mild hybrid 4.8V assist are even more apparent when buyers option on the advanced suspension package, which adds a twin-clutch sport differential to the rear axle for torque vectoring and electromechanical active roll stabilization, EAWS. A range of sensors feed back to the EAWS system to adjust body movement through corners and on uneven pavement. This means a more comfortable ride and more confidence when hustling through a set of S-bends. Gas mileage. The 48-volt mild hybrid assistance should assist with fuel economy, alongside cylinder deactivation tech. It's likely the same figures will carry over since there are no changes to the powertrain, but a little improvement would be a nice bonus. Current models achieve gas mileage figures of 15/21/17 mpg on the city/highway/combined cycles, and can reach a theoretical range of around 382 miles with the 22.5-gallon gas tank filled to the brim. Audi SQ7 interior and cargo. There aren't massive changes to the interior of the Audi SQ7 for 2025, but a few updates are made to the way you can customize it. There are new decorative inlays available, with matte brushed aluminum with linear embossing in silver added to the list. The seats in the Audi SQ7 feature contrasting stitching as standard. As before, the midsize SQ7 has seating for up to 7 people, but you can have it as a 5-seater if you prefer. An optional rear seat plus package is mentioned, but it's not clear whether a spec SQ7S will have this option, which allows the length and back angle of the middle row of seats to be individually adjusted. Other changes for 2025 include an updated virtual cockpit with upgraded displays. This includes a 12.3-inch digital cluster and 2 stacked screens in the center console for infotainment, a 10.1-inch top screen and an 8.6-inch lower screen, for functions like climate control and seat heating. It runs the familiar MIB3 software, but it now comes with more features and apps that buyers can download from third-party suppliers, Amazon Music, Spotify, etc. Audi says that in 5-seater configuration there is 30.4 of cargo space available behind the rear seats, and just over 70 cubes with those folded down. With the optional third row equipped, we expect around 14 cubic feet to be available.